Hello, my name is Scott Mejian, and welcome to my final physics explainer video for Physics 40C, and we're going to be doing the Rube Goldburg problem today. I kind of drew this out on paper, and I didn't really want to draw all that much again, so I kind of just found an app to scan and put this on my computer. So here it is. And basically, you can see the kind of outline of how it's going to go, but I'll explain it for you. So first thing we have is we have a cylindrical um, tube that is filled with water, and we want to find at what height you have to cut the um, a hole into it so that the water will spurt out and land in a cup. So that's the first problem. So we're finding at what height we should poke the hole, and that's kind of just related to Bernoulli's. So yeah. For the next problem, we want to know how much energy it would take to freeze the water. So currently the water would be at 20 degrees Celsius. We would remove the cut cylinder and we just have the cup there, and we'd see how much energy it would take. Um, yeah, and so then it gets a little wacky. We, for some reason, find that, let's send this freezer into space, and then have it fall back down into Earth's orbit and crash into Earth. That seems about right. So when we do that, we want to know the speed of the freezer when it hits the Earth. All right, sick. So we could find that. After that, we want to find the entropy because miraculously, when this freezer crashes into Earth, the ice in the cup shatters perfectly into ice cubes. So we're not gonna calculate that part though. But we want to know the entropy of them all landing in a perfect tower in the mile radius that they could have landed. So there's the entropy part. From there, we have that this water or this ice melts and it goes into this little plant. So um, this plant is going to do some photosynthesis, and so we're going to assume that the chamber that the flower is in is filled with just CO2, and that it's all converted into uh, oxygen. So we want to know if the pressure in the flower chamber changes, and if it does change, what is the pressure? Lastly, we learned that there's this little angry bee that is trapped with the flower inside of the cup that we've kind of trapped the flower in to test the pressure. So he's a little angry, but we're gonna free him. So if we cut out the top of the cup, we want to know what the first harmonic for the bee to buzz at would be if it were, flapping its wings. Yeah, so that's kind of it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this funny little video. Thanks.